I'm delighted to see you all here today. We really have a fantastic lineup of officials here to help us christen the machine, the boring tunnel which you see behind me. I'll just say a minute, since it's not a secret now what the name is. You can see it right there on the drill bit itself. That is the piece of the machine that sits in the front and turns and is actually cutting. Imagine your little screwdriver. That is what's going to cut the hole 100 feet below grade, below our feet. Going to go up the Potomac River, take a right turn on the Anacostia. In this first phase, Potomac, right near the Nationals baseball park, is where we're going to end this first tunnel, and Poplar Point. And that's where this machine, which will end up being longer than a football field when fully assembled, will build the largest tunnel, deeper than a metro station and larger than a metro station below our feet.
We are working by 2032 to make 100% of our waterways fishable and swimmable. And that is no easy feat, ladies and gentlemen, because our Anacostia River and to some extent the Potomac River have been polluted now for a very long time. And this project will help us be able to take some of the polluted water, if you will, out of circulation until it can be treated and recirculated by DC Water. So we look forward to working with DC Water, EPA, and our other partners.
One of the reasons it's so exciting to be here is really clean water is a right of all of our citizens, and what we have going on here is just one of the many prongs that DC Water and the District of Columbia are focusing on to make sure not only the residents of the district but residents in the surrounding area have that right of clean water.
For those of you who do not know, this is in honor of Lady Bird Johnson, but she persuaded the president to say about the Potomac that it was a national disgrace, and she helped push for the effort that led to the Clean Water Act of 1972, which in large measure drives so much of the work of this entire facility, not just this particular project. But we now come to the end of this part of the program, and what we're going to do is we're going to go back, and like a ship, we've got a bottle of DC Water tap water that we're going to christen against the drill machine for Lady Bird.